Now, if you identify as neurodivergent, if you have ADHD, autism, or just know your brain is wired differently, this might be a particularly vicious cycle for you. Neurodivergent individuals may start with a different baseline. Some studies suggest that people with conditions like ADHD may be more prone to insufficiencies in key brain essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and B vitamins, the building blocks for neurotransmitters that regulate focus and mood. Here's where the trap is set. Many neurodivergent people also struggle with sensory sensitivities and selective eating. The textures, smells, or tastes of whole foods can be overwhelming. What feels safe and predictable? Often, it's the bland, consistent, and highly processed foods. Pasta, chicken nuggets, chips, and sugary snacks. These are the exact UPFs that are linked with inflammation and contain few of the essential nutrients the brain is asking for. It's a devastating 1-2 punch. Your brain may already have higher nutritional demands, and the safe foods you might be drawn to can actively promote inflammation, potentially making symptoms of inattention, emotional dysregulation, and brain fog significantly worse. It's a vicious cycle where the food can worsen the symptoms, and the symptoms can lead you to crave the very food that's part of the problem. This is not a lack of discipline. It's a challenging biological and neurological feedback loop. This information can feel overwhelming, but knowledge is the first step to taking back control. And to help you do that, I've put together a simple one-page guide, the Brain Rescue Blueprint. It lists the top 5 inflammatory food types to reduce and the top 10 brain-boosting foods to add to your diet. It's completely free. You can download it using the link in the description below. It's a simple roadmap to get you started on this journey today.